This video shows how to use the article deposit workflow for the SDR self-deposit application. This workflow allows users to deposit an article that was previously published elsewhere with a DOI. If this workflow is turned on for one of your collections, you'll see a button that says Deposit Article by DOI PMC ID. Click this button to begin depositing your article. Everything you need to provide is on this single page. To make your deposit, first drag the file for your article onto the file upload box. Once it's been uploaded, you can add a file description if you'd like. Next, indicate which version of the article you're uploading. Then assign a license to your work. Click the Get Help Selecting a License link for helpful information on how to choose a license for an open access copy of an article. You may need to review policies from your publisher. Then, agree to the terms of deposit if you haven't already done so. In the box at the bottom of the page, enter either the DOI or the PubMed Central ID for the previously published version of the article, and click the button that says Get Publication Info from DOI PMC ID. We will retrieve title, year, author, and abstract information from the DOI metadata and display them on this page for you to review. Works deposited via this form are automatically available immediately to anyone in the world and do not receive a DOI, since there is already a copy of the work with a DOI. If you see anything that you would like to correct, or if you would like to add keywords or a missing abstract, you can click the Edit Before Deposit button to make changes. If the retrieved metadata is correct and sufficient, you can deposit the work straight away.